I'm Jeff Lucas at Sofa Bakery in Cambridge, Massachusetts, and I'm going to show you how to make tomato, rice, and chicken. First, we'll start with seasoning chicken thighs with a little salt and pepper. Chicken thighs will help to infuse the rice with more chicken flavor. Once it's seasoned, we'll render the chicken skin out to make it crispy, and we'll use that fat then to cook some minced onion and garlic and a little chopped carrot. From there, we'll add some whole spices, cumin, coriander, cardamom, and some saffron threads. We'll allow those to toast in the rendered fat. It's about a teaspoon of each. From there, we'll add some chopped Roma tomato. The meatiness of the Roma tomatoes will add a lot of savory flavor, and the juice will help to bloom the saffron threads. From there, we'll add the rice to toast, and then we'll introduce the water. Once that comes up to a boil, we'll put the chicken back in the pan and allow it all to cook in one pot.